Back in 1980, audiences around the world were introduced to Mad Max and the Interceptor.
Kick it in the guts, Barry. Shut the gate on this one, Max. It's the duck's guts.
And with the release of Mad Max 2, or The Road Warrior, in 1981, we got to see the Interceptor yet again, though in a bit worse shape. Then in 2015, with Mad Max Fury Road, the Interceptor showed itself yet again. Now, all of these cars are built on the 1973 Falcon XB GT, an Australian release vehicle that is the epitome of the muscle car era in the 1970s. Now, these vehicles were, of course, only released in Australia, and several were modified by production for use in the film. Now, of the Interceptors made for Mad Max 2, only 2 are known to survive, one of which is in Florida, and the other is at Rods and Bod's Car Museum in Lakewood, Colorado. With its original Australian V8 Hemi still in place, every single system on this car still works, and has had very little work done to it since production ended. The vehicle was apparently purchased by a collector in Colorado and shipped from Australia, where it sat in a garage for many years until it was finally purchased by the museum. This vehicle is in absolutely beautiful condition, despite what it was turned into. In 1981's Mad Max 2, The Road Warrior, the Interceptor was completely destroyed by a booby-trap bomb to prevent people from stealing his fuel. It's still very much on this car. I had to crawl underneath it to get this shot. Not mad. Now, when time allows, I'll be returning to Rods and Bod's Car Museum to actually drive this car, to let you know how it drives. So follow Rods and Bod's Car Museum, and follow me as well. Check out my links in the link tree. Props to history.